They come and go with every mile and stretch of road. The lights are out, but it's alright. We're gonna make it home tonight. Another chance to sing a song in hopes to keep your worries gone. So pour you one and drink it down. Sing until the early morn. Gather round and stomp the floor and shout. We're never gonna die. A toast for love we stand and then we fight. Hold them high boys, we're gonna raise some hell tonight. For those we love who passed away, we hold you in our hearts today. Here's to you, and now we say cheers to all the yesterdays. So hold them up and drink them down. The spirits from the underground wish upon the here and now. With heads up high, with glory bound.